Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I am so glad to have you with me today. Today we're going to be looking at the mini recipe planner that just came out from Happy Planner. It just was released a few weeks ago, and you can find it in Michael's. I'm not sure if it's being sold elsewhere. I have only seen it at Michael's. I'm sure it's probably on the Happy Planner website, but Michael's is where I think primarily it is. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. All right, now really let's get started. All right, so I'm going to pull this off the back. This is it's so crazy to me because I know why they do it, because they have to have it ready to hang for the, for the stores, but it's just crazy to me. Okay. Maybe I'm just going to wait. No, I'm going to pull it off. Oh, it's 160 recipes. Okay. Now that that's done, you have the front cover, which says recipes. The only thing, I probably just bought this one, but this was a little crookedy. I don't know. And then the back, you of course have the Happy Planner logo with just this cute, bright, colorful yellow. And the red discs. These are not metal. These are just regular discs. But I have never seen red discs. I have never seen red discs on a mini that I know of, so I really like the look of that. All right, inside it is all nicely covered, so let's open this up. They have their little paper about starting and planning, so that's kind of cute. That's in every planner nowadays, but bon appetit. This favorite recipe collection belongs to, excuse me, Kitchen Conversion. OMG. I need this. I so need this. This is brilliant. I'm so excited to use this because I do need that sometimes. Taco Rules. Build, eat, repeat. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, everyone. Favorites. Okay, so here's where we get into it. Nothing brings people together like food. That's so true. All right, you'd put your name of your food right here. You'd put your directions right here. And your ingredients right here. Prep and cook time and how many people it serves. Most everything that's going to be in this is going to be for me, serving it for me. And what I will say is if I have cookbooks that I love certain recipes on, but I don't love the whole cookbook, I will just transfer it to here is my plan. Because I have cookbooks that I keep out that have a lot of recipes, but I eat 2 of them. And I don't really need all that. So this is just favorites, so I guess they have it categorized. This would be my favorite meals, main dishes, but it's the same idea. Cooking with love provides food for the soul. Same idea. So, all these, I'm tired apparently. All these pages, let's gather. Little cheesies, and then you have more. Soups and salads. I don't think I'll ever use that section. Maybe soups, I don't know. Healthy. A little cute thing. Breakfast. Brunch society. So all the pages, they alternate some colors. Like this one's pink, then you have the green, then you have the orangey peachy, and then you have breakfast, which is a blue, Megan blue, tealish kind of. Desserts, which is pink. Where there are whisks. Where there's a whisk, there's a way. That's cute. And then, ooh. It's kind of thick. There's also stuff on the rings. The discs, and then miscellaneous. Don't be eye candy, be soul food. That's cute. And then that is it. So, all right. So, here's the thing about it. There's a lot of pages in here with a lot of different sections of food categories, but really all the pages are the same. So it's pretty thick the way it stands right now. It's like pretty thick. It's not like too thick, but it's pretty thick. So if you felt like it was too thick for you, you could remove some of the pages without a problem and have some extra room to add it and make it maybe a mini on-the-go planner. And what I would likely do is I might even make this my mini planner, my complete mini planner, even if it's a recipe planner. I may combine it kind of because most of my on-the-go planning is like really limited. And so it'd be nice to have something that I can use for more than one thing, but be able to take it on the go with me. So I was very excited to get this. I feel like it's really adorable. I love the whole theme behind it. I think it's a great way to recipe plan because it's something that I've been wanting to do with certain recipes that we really love. And I might rename some of these and like make a keto section instead because I don't know how long we'll do keto, but that's, we'll kind of keep part of it like that and see if that doesn't work a little bit better. But I will probably do a more in-depth setup video once I get it figured out a little bit to show you all what it looks like. But I'm very excited about it so far. I think it's going to be a great, great recipe planner. So Michael's is where I got this. That's where you should pick this up as well. And if you have any questions about it or specific things you need, let me know in the comments. I would love to answer them for you. I am hoping that I can use this really, really well. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Again, if you are not a subscriber already, make sure to do so you don't miss the fun. And I cannot wait to talk to you all soon in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.